Hey there everybody, in this course I am going to be teaching you how to get your Salesforce Certified Administrator credential. So you're going to want to follow along with this course step by step because I'm going to cover the entire exam outline, and at the end of the course I'm going to have a practice test so that you can practice everything you've learned in this course. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover every single step here in this exam outline, starting at organizational setup, which is 3% of the exam, all the way down to App Exchange, which is 2% of the exam, and everything in between here. We're going to cover everything that is underneath these drop down arrows here for every single section, and by the end of this course, you're going to know everything there is to know about the exam and everything that there is that's going to be covered on the exam within all of these sections here. So make sure to follow step by step, starting at organizational setup in the first section, all the way through to the last section, which covers App Exchange. And then at the very end, the practice test that I'm going to give you in this course. So before we get started with the first section here, which is organizational setup, let's go ahead and create a free developer edition org so that you can follow along with everything that I'm teaching you in this course. So let's get started with creating that developer edition org.